Hello people of the internet, my name is Kato and this is my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a new video, and because I think I'm caught up in all of my passion projects, so I didn't make anything like talking like this stuff. Oh my god. So I've been thinking about a video idea for like this type of video, but I don't know what to do. But a package came this morning or this afternoon, and I can make a video out of that because it's an interesting topic. So in this pandemic, to keep my sanity at check, I learned new things. The first thing that I try to learn is 3D, either it's modeling or compositing or animations, but just using 3D software. Why? Because I don't know, maybe it will come handy like sometime in the future. So I just learned it, and then after I got bored, I think I know the basics of it. I can make things on my own now. I continued learning new things such as animations. I learned animations in 5th grade. I actually went to like a summer school for animations, but yeah, it didn't continue after that. But in this pandemic, I honed my skills again, doing like projects for commissions. So yeah, I just learned like 2D animations and other stuff. But the latest thing that I learned or am learning now is typing. I mean, like, what typing? Why the heck do you need to learn how to type? I mean, are you a idiot? You can't type? You can't operate a computer? What the fuck are you doing? But the answer to that is recently, well, I don't know, is it recently or not, but well, recently I realized that I've been typing the wrong way this whole time. And what do you mean by typing the wrong way? Is there a right way to type? Well, it's not the right way. It's just the more efficient way, and well, you know what I mean. So basically, since I was a kid, I already touched this world of computers at elementary school. I played Facebook games, and then I like to hack them, cheating using cheat engines and other stuff. And I played Counter-Strike, and I like to mod it, like added new weapons in those games. So I've been touching computers like way back until now. But I just realized that since the first time I used computers, I didn't type like the most efficient way. I typed with like 6 fingers, and the most efficient way is using all of your 10 fingers. It's called touch typing, and lately I've been learning how to touch type. While using like 6 fingers, I type like 70 to 80 to 90 even words per minute, and then I relearn how do I type, and I'm back to square one again. I'm shit at typing now. Right now it makes me like wake up every morning and want to improve myself. So I think that's a pretty good point of this video is, in this pandemic, to keep your sanity at check, I think you should learn new stuff, even though it's like stupid, like learning to type like me. The reason why I got this video idea is because I ordered a new keyboard. This is actually my old keyboard. Look at this, it's RGB lighting thingy, but this is a membrane keyboard. What is a membrane keyboard, you ask? Well, basically it uses rubbery things to like input the signal and stuff. I can't really explain it, but you can Google it yourself. But it's just not that not that it's not satisfying, but mechanical keyboards are much satisfying to type on than this. And I don't know, pro gamers use mechanical keyboard, YouTubers use mechanical keyboard, so I ordered one myself and it just came out of the mail. So let's unbox it, guys. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna open it with my X-Acto knife. And why do I have an X-Acto knife? I'm a freaking art student, so I really have to have one, just in case I need to kill someone. A little bit of ASMR for you guys. here we go. Ooh, it's not taped. I think I can just open it right now. Okay. Ooh. So first of all, it comes with this. Oh, it's a receipt. Okay. And here we go, boys. Look at that beauty. Look at that, boys. I'm just gonna pick it up. Here is a warranty card, I believe, but it's in Chinese, I think. Whatever. And here is the cable. There's no user manual. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a keycap. It's a keycap remover, so I can customize it later. So this is actually a USB Type-C connector, because USB Type everything. I mean, like, right now I think I need a new phone, and I mean, like, I think everything now should be USB-C because it's just much more awesome than USB Type A and other stuff. But here's the main thingy, main keyboard. I'm just gonna fucking open it up like this. Oh shit. Yeah, baby. Look at that. It's a 60% keyboard, so it doesn't have the numpads. And yeah, you wanna hear how it sounds? Look at that. I think this is a Cherry MX Red. Oh no, it's not Cherry MX, but it's the red switches. Basically, if you have mechanical keyboards, you have different switches. Under this keycaps, there are switches, and it comes in different colors. And different color equals to different feel and different sound. The Cherry MX Red, I think, it's loud. I forgot what. I think the brown is like the softest switch, and I think either it's blue. I forgot. I didn't do my research, but anyway, yeah. So this is the keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard compared to this one. This is like almost full size, but it doesn't still have the numpad. It's a smaller one, and it's also RGB. So I'm gonna plug this in. Actually, let me just disconnect this one. I'm gonna give this to my sister because she uses everything that I uses. I mean, she uses like most of my stuff that I don't use anymore, like my old PC and my old keyboard. So I'm just gonna give him this. I only used this for like 6 months, I think, from the beginning of the pandemic until now, because now I really this thing just motivates me to learn how to type. Just, yeah, look at it. It lights up blue if you can see it. Let me see if I can change this. It glows in a few ways. Awesome. Ooh, how can I change the color? So I'm just gonna give my old thingy to my sister. Whoa, I'm giving this to you.
Demi apa?
Yeah.
Serius?
Yes,
Demi apa?
of course.
Thank you! Oh my god, are you joking?
So anyways, I'm at monkeytype.com. This is like the main place if I want to like grind my typing skills. My typing skills are still like bare bones minimum. I mean, like average. I'm trying to go for the superhuman level one, like at least 100 words per minute. And yeah, so this is a new keyboard. I haven't figured out the layout yet. I mean, yeah, so I'm just gonna try to type. Fuck, I'm gonna reset. Okay, perfect posture. Let's go do this. Okay, 61 words per minute. Not bad for first try because this layout of this keyboard, it's smaller, it's much more tight, and the backspace. Oh fuck. And I haven't like the backspace spacing. I think it used to be like down here in my old keyboard, and this, what is this called? Arrow keys. Yeah. So basically, how you do the friggin' arrow keys thingy, it's arrow keys by default, and if you press shift it will go to question mark. If you press function you go to this, what is this, slash. Yeah, it's kind of weird because normally you would just press it to be question mark and then you press shift to do the slash, but now it's kind of freaking weird. So let me type again. I think I'm gonna have like much worse score than the first one. $62, okay, not bad for second try. I think my average like 60 words per minute, but I constantly want to improve that until like 100 words per minute. So that's my goal for this quarantine. But yeah, so the main purpose of this video is basically I want to encourage you guys to like learn new things in this quarantine. For me, it's typing, so I can type faster, so I can get all of my work done faster and have like spare time to do other things like passion projects and other stuff, or learn new things to make things more efficient. But anyways, I think that's all for today, so thank you for watching.